Hi everyone, let's make a machine gun from a 48-piece Rubik's snake. You count 5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bend it here to make a right angle. Then 2 triangles, 1, 2, and you make another right angle. Let's go back up the way we came, so you do that. And then level it off, so like this. Now 1 triangle and we go up. Leave 1 triangle and you come round like that. 2 triangles at the top and you come round. Now 1 bend towards you this way. And then this join, bend it here, then bend it in like this, and then that neatly goes in here. Okay. Now 1, 2 triangles and you bend it at a right angle like that. 1, 2, and 1 click away from you. Now this piece bends up here and fold it this way. Now this piece can neatly go in there. 1, 2 triangles and you make a right angle. 1 triangle and you make another right angle here. Now bend this bit up like that, and finally this end piece comes down all the way like that, and there is your completed machine gun, maybe submachine gun. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you later. Yay.